Okay, this question starts off and it's just showing how I can rewrite the equation up here into this form, and I've got nothing to do really other than to factorise. So let's take out an x and then factorise again. And finally we get what we're after. So if we think about what's happening along the x-axis here, then you've got x equals 0, which we can see, and then here you've got a repeated root, this x minus 3, which is this bit here. So obviously a is equal to 3, 0, which is also a minimum of the curve. Now the next part of the question, which you can't see, but it says find the coordinates of b. Now b is a maximum, so have a little think about, right, if it's a maximum, how do I find where it is? So now we're going to have to differentiate and set it equal to 0. So my original equation, which I'm going to go back to, I won't use the bit that I've just played around with. And that is equals 0, and you've got to solve this. I would divide 3 by 3 first of all, make it easier to manage. And then I'm going to factorise that. Oh, I've made a mistake. There we go. That should be 12, shouldn't it? So divide by 3, that would give me 4. And then I'm going to factorise. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Now the 3 we already knew about, because that was point A, and the x equals 1 is point B. Now the question says find the coordinate, so you need to make sure that you're finding x and y. So if x is 1, then y equals, put it back into the original. So we would say y is equal to 1 minus 6 plus 9. So 1 minus 6 gives us minus 5, minus 5 plus 9 gives me 4, and that's the coordinate of B. And then finally the question asks you to find the area of the region R. So I'm integrating the original equation, and I know the limits because they follow from what we just found, which is between 0 and 3. So fairly straightforward. It's a definite integral because you have limits, so you don't need to worry about any constants. Pop those in. Obviously we love the fact that we got a 0 there, don't need to do anything, and you'll get 6 3/4. So quite a nice question, linking lots of different topics together.